Now the question before us is whether the power of variable in a polynomial can be negative. We will try to find out the answer of this question. Suppose I write 3x plus 2y minus 4 and I write y raised to the power minus 1. Whether it is a polynomial, this is a question. Whether it is possible that the power of the variable can be negative. So the answer is no. The power of variable in a polynomial cannot be negative. The power of variable in a polynomial can only be 0 or positive whole numbers. What is its meaning? 0 or positive whole numbers. It means that the power of the variable can be such as 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So if we write 3x plus 2y cube minus 4, it is okay. This is a polynomial. But if we write the power in negative, it is wrong. In the same way, if we write say 7x plus 2y raised to the power 1 over 2 minus 4, whether it is correct? It is again not correct. We cannot regard it as an polynomial. Why? Because polynomial cannot have variable where its power is in negative or in fraction. Here, when we divide 1 over 2, 1 by 2, it becomes 0.5. So the power becomes in fraction. So whenever the variable has negative power or whenever variable is raised to the power of a fraction, it is cannot be construed as a polynomial. Polynomial can only have a term in which the variable is having non-negative integer exponentials. That is, the power of the variable has to be either 0, 1, 2 or 3 or so on. So now we will write the definition of polynomial. A polynomial is an algebraic expression consisting of coefficient variables where variable is raised to the power of non-negative integer exponents. Exponents means power. Non-negative integer power. That is, the power of the variable cannot be in negative, and polynomial is an algebraic expression which consists of coefficients. This is the coefficient, this is the variable, and where variable is raised to the power of non-negative, that is, it cannot be in negative or in fraction. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.